Well, I'm getting pieces of you there, 187. Conditions aren't quite there yet for us. But waving out there, I heard you say you got something going on new. We'll be hearing it before the day's over, I'm sure. The Pirate, Southern Cal, waving. We're standing by.
On the key again, number 9.
Oh, that's okay. He's not hammering on me. It doesn't count unless I'm talking.
I just thought you wanted
to know. 10-4. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just giving him a hard time. I was trying all day yesterday. Every time he was coming through town here, so his antenna's right close to mine. And boy, when we're close together and got the same conditions, he takes me out.
He got that mobile smoking, that's for sure. So I tried him all day yesterday. Never could get over him while he's in town. He's making a roof on you today, too, and he ain't even in town.
He's got a... When he gets away, then his conditions start changing up, and I can nip him in the bud. Just push him out of the way if I have to. CrackShot, have a good one. Tell that 001 to drive safe, and yeah, and tell him I'll take care of him when he comes back to town. We're standing by.
CrackShot. Get out of there, number 9. Said tell 001 to drive safe, and you would take care of him when he come back to town. I don't know what you meant by that, but anyway, I rolled your 5, number 9, the CrackShot back out and grinning.
Hammer, hammer, hammer. We're standing by.
187 South Texas gonna go get on his mobile. Boy, it is. Yeah, 2 more on that there, 001. I believe he wants to buy you supper when you come back through town there, so don't forget to remind him there, would you?
No. I ain't buying him nothing. I'm charging him. When he comes through town, I'm taxing his ass.
Oh, man, it was rough that time, sure was. Real rough. Hey, 001, be careful out there, put it on your layer. 001, working that hard, punching mobile, the CrackShot, working this hard, punching base station, big
That old 001, next time he comes through town, I'm going to tax his butt big time. He owes me $5 each time he keys on me.
Well, I guess you're right. It's 12:05. It is afternoon here. Good afternoon or good morning right back to you.
So he's taking me out again. Waving a hand to everybody. We're standing by.
001, old BackHoeMan waving back. I hear you, man. Well, you could probably have a real good talk show as long as you don't come out there and cut his radio off there, Roger. Right there, 001. I hear you, man. I hear you. Well, you know, I hope I didn't make him mad. He acted like he was mad at me yesterday when I told him there's something wrong with his radio. But he always hits me 20, 30 dBs when he's got that big box on. And he never got over a 15 or 20 on me, so it seems like to me there's something ain't right. condition must be bad. Around Ramona Cow, I didn't hear none of you that time. It got rough. Somebody around Washington State come in there and made it rough on both of you, or all of you, or whoever keyed. Signal on the bar stool, getting ready.